Hello, everyone. Welcome to another slow English video. Today, I want to tell you about my family, and you will practice English with me. So, first, let me tell you about my parents. They live far away from me. They live in the countryside, not in the city like I do. They both are 59 years old. My parents really love dancing. Whenever they have the chance to go out, they go dancing. Honestly, they rarely miss a party. And you know, they both work really hard. They love working on our family farm. My father harvests many things. For example, he harvests coffee, oranges, pumpkins, tangerines, coriander, onions, mandioca, and many more things. He spends a lot of hours on the land and he loves it. My mother loves helping my father. She always goes with him to the farm. And while my father works on the land, my mother takes care of the animals because they have on the farm cows, chickens, hens, and pigs. I love to eat everything that comes from their farm. For example, the eggs taste so fresh. Eating food from their farm makes me feel happy and proud. Now, let me tell you how my parents look like. My father is tall and strong. He has short black hair. And my mother is so beautiful. She has light brown eyes and blondie hair. She also has a lot of moles and freckles on her arms. She is short and has a cute smile. What about your parents or your husband or your wife? How old are they? What do they like to do? And what do they do for work? Now let's talk about my siblings. Because I have two siblings, one brother and one sister, a brother and a sister. And I am the middle sister. My brother is older than me. He works as a nurse. He has a motorcycle and He always goes to work on it. He likes going to the gym. But, well, sometimes he's a little forgetful. For example, he forgets where he leaves the keys. But even though he is a little forgetful, he is always friendly with everyone. My sister is 2 years younger than me. She has beautiful, long, black hair like me, and she loves dancing and taking photos. Actually, she takes photos of everything: her food, the landscape, flowers, animals, and many other things. I really admire her, my sister, because she works and studies at the same time. She is studying an engineering, and that career is very demanding. I always see her studying until late for her exams. What about you? Do you have any siblings? Are they younger or older than you? What do they like to do? Even though we live far away from each other, we are still very close as a family. For example, we talk often, we call each other every day, every week. My family is very important to me because they give me support, love, and motivation. And you know, even when life gets busy, family is always there for you. And you think about your family. Is your family big or small? What do you like to do together? Thank you so much for practicing slow English with me today. I hope this video helps you talk about your family in English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.